On a sunny morning, Moana was busy preparing a big celebration on her beautiful tropical island. There were colorful flowers, sweet fruits, and people were dancing joyfully along the beach. Moana had invited Elsa, her friend from Arendelle, to join the festivities. Elsa arrived excitedly, looking forward to enjoying the warm sand and tropical sunshine. But as Elsa stepped onto the island, she sneezed unexpectedly. "Achoo!" she said loudly. Instantly, a strong gust of cold wind burst from her fingers. Before anyone could understand what happened, dark clouds filled the sky. Suddenly, fluffy snowflakes started falling, quickly turning the lush green island white. Everyone stared in surprise. Palm trees were covered in snow, flowers froze solid, and people shivered from the sudden chill. Elsa was worried and said sadly, "I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make it snow. I just sneezed." Moana smiled gently and reassured Elsa, "It's okay, Elsa. We'll find a way to fix this. The island spirits can help us." Moana and Elsa began their journey across the snowy island, searching for the guardian spirits who watched over nature. First, they met the ocean spirit, who was trapped under a thick layer of ice. Elsa carefully used her powers to free the gentle waves, allowing them to flow again. Next, they reached the mountain spirit, who shivered with cold. Moana sang softly, calming the spirit, while Elsa gently warmed the frozen ground with controlled bursts of her magic. Finally, they found the spirit of the sun, hidden behind heavy clouds. "Please help us," Moana asked kindly. "Our island needs your warmth again." The sun spirit explained, "Your sneeze surprised us, Elsa. To fix this, you must warm the heart of the island. Find the heart stone, and your magic can restore warmth." Moana knew where to find the heart stone. Together, she and Elsa raced to the island's sacred cave. Inside, the heart stone glowed dimly, covered in frost. Elsa carefully touched the stone, using her powers gently to melt the ice. Moana sang encouragingly, giving Elsa the courage to control her magic perfectly. Slowly, warmth spread from the heart stone, melting the snow. The sun shone brightly again, flowers blossomed, and people cheered happily. As warmth returned fully, Moana hugged Elsa tightly. "See," Moana said, smiling brightly. "When friends work together, they can fix anything." Elsa laughed joyfully, knowing she had a true friend by her side.